food across the world.
People in the world eat different food, and food is part of a country. In Tunisia, people eat couscous, and Tunisian couscous is famous. They also eat tajine. In Italy, people eat pizza, and Italian pizza is popular. They also eat pasta. In Japan, people eat sushi with rice and fish. In England, people eat fish and chips, and it is a traditional dish. These dishes are from different countries. Every country has a famous dish. I like Italian food because pizza is good. My friend likes Japanese food. We can learn about a country from its food.